This is a Noodles production.
What's up guys, Roaming Mind here. It's nice out, so I decided to do a Balisong tutorial, or commonly known as butterfly knife. Let's get right into it. The first trick I'm going to show you is a basic horizontal opening, just like this. To do this trick, you flick out the knife, roll it back over your hand and flick it back. Close it doing the same way but in reverse. Next trick I'm going to show you is a basic vertical, looks like this. How you do this trick, you want to let go of the bite handle, flick it up, then flick it back down, move all your fingers and flick it back up. Do the same thing in reverse to close it. The final trick I'm going to show you is a half twirl. It looks like this. How you do this trick, you want to flick open the bite handle, insert your index finger into the spine of the blade, flick it back down, and then take your thumb and put it behind the safe handle and roll it over. To close it, you can do any closing you like, or you can repeat the same thing backwards to close it. Again, it looks like this. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.